In this video, I'm going to go over the functionality of a tool container. The purpose of a tool container is to help organize your workflow, especially when you have many tools. First, to get a tool container on your workflow, all you need to do is highlight a group of tools you are looking to containerize, right-click, and select Add to New Container. You'll notice a container wraps these tools and it puts them in a nice box so you can easily visualize the different sections within a workflow. Going through these options here, the first thing we can do is we can name the caption of the tool. So we can say reading data. So this container is going to take all the tools of us reading the data and put it as one. Now you can either leave all these defaults as is, which is what I usually do. However, they do give you options if you're looking for that extra flair. We can change the text color. Let's say we want to change this to red. We can change the fill color. Let's say we want to change this to yellow. And we could even change the border color. Let's just leave that one as black. You could even change the transparency. This will allow you to see tools in the back. So if we did an input data tool here, and we inched it up, you can see there's a little bit of transparency, or you can give it a 0 and not see the tool at all. For margin, they do give you some options as well. I typically keep it with small, but if you're lacking some space, you could even select none, and it hugs the tools a little bit tighter. Now, there's two more things that you can do with this. You can either disable this container. Let's say you don't want to use these tools. You can click disable here, and when you click the canvas, it'll be grayed out. You can also click this option right here, and this will either disable or enable the tool. And finally, let's say this is a section of your workflow that you know will never need to change, and you don't want to see all those tools. You can click this arrow right here, and it will minimize it so you can just read the header of the tool container. And that's the tutorial for a tool container. It allows you to group some tools. You can format it nicely to make it really visible in your workflow, and you can even hide it or disable it. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, and I'll gladly make another video on it. Otherwise, I'll see you on the next video.